Okay, this is Figuras test number 2. The only thing I changed is that I took away the halogen bulbs and replaced it for this 27 ohm resistors. As you see, they are custom made with nichrome wire and clay. Yeah, I will show you. I'm now at a low frequency still, but you can see now on the current reading, it's hard to work with CTR scopes at that low frequencies, but I think you can see something. I am now with a current which fluctuates between 100 and 200 milliamps. I have here the probe on one channel, and I haven't changed anything but the resistors. If I go up with the frequency, now it's possible to hear some sound in the core, which indicates that there already is a changing magnetic field to produce some induction. So we'll see what happens on the output. Okay, put the probe on the output. Now, yeah, the voltage is already about 10 volts peak to peak. The waveform can be clearly appreciated. One more thing I wanted to show you. I have now the current probe on one channel on the current sense resistor and the voltage probe. The above signal is the output coil, the voltage on the output coil. It's a 1 to 100 probe, therefore it's set to 50 millivolt. And the current, you can see that at the maximum value of current we have the zero crossing of the voltage, much like in the generator model, which is a good sign.